Yeah man, blessed day my people. Wagwan, my viewers and subscriber. You don't know Big Voice Radio in the building. You don't know anything going over there. On a Sunday, I go eat some food. Me no cook today. So you know what? Buy some food. What may I say? Yeah man. Support me bridging them, you know. They on the beach side right now. I will have vibes. Yeah man. Good old oxtail fried chicken. Yeah man. Over there. You know what I say? There are all our vibes on the Sunday. But anyway, what I want to talk about? Why, you know, I love my Jamaican culture. Love my Jamaican culture, but boy, we're not easy. We are some people who are not easy. Remember? Because it's like people will literally hate you for your own opinion. Literally. Okay, for example, say for instance, in a music, right? You have Vybz Kartel and Idonia as two of the baddest lyrical DJ them ever. See? So you know, some people say Gaza, some people say fourth generation. That's Kartel and Idonia. So if you say Gaza, you love Kartel. Me say fourth generation because me like Idonia. But me love music. So for example now, we have an argument and we have talk about it. And a man say, yo, a Gaza man we say, yo, who you like? Kartel or Idonia? He say, yo, you know some rate Kartel but Idonia my artist. Yeah, me rate Kartel but Idonia my artist. The Gaza man will literally say, yo, you're an idiot. You're a fool. Oh, you for rate Idonia and a Kartel like body's thing. Rare. That little argument, if you're not careful, if you are not careful, that little argument, that little statement will become a big thing. It will become a big deal.
You're serious?
That Gaza man will take offense just because I say Idonia my artist. Not Vybz Kartel. For example again, in politics, you know you have PNP, you have JLP, and a man come to you and say, a Labour man, a JLP man will come to you and say, yo, which party you like? I say, you know, so I like PNP though. PNP me really like because like me say my parents them love. So me love PNP. That Labour man they will kill you for him party.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done. Me fi kill him instant. It's a big stone if you get 9 feet straight.
Just because you say you like another party that is not his party, him take them thing the personal. Remember what I tell you? Well, we're not easy. We're not easy. But me love my culture same way. It's just like food. You know, me no eat pork again. Me no like pork again. We used to eat it, but me no eat it again. Over here now. And a man asked me, say, yo, you know, me buy some pork, some jerk pork, you want a piece? I say, no man, you know, me no eat pork. What make you not eat pork? What you mean by you not eat pork? You can't eat pork, I best meat. Are your own opinion, you know. And this man I make you know, say, yo, how you not eat pork?
You see, let me tell you something, say. It's when you're young and fool, you will grow you out, you know. It's when you're old and fool, and done you don't rest, done you.
Why you not eat pork? Pork is the best meat. I said, brother, I don't eat pork, let me stop eating. Why make you stop eating? I best meat, the Trenton and... Culture, man, let me tell you. Don't play with me. You don't know. Like, subscribe. Big up on yourself. No say, yo, I will never give up my culture. Jamaica for nothing. Jamaica, I'm Jamaica till I died. Jamaican from birth till death. I love my culture, love our expression, but sometimes we take it overboard. You know? Yeah man, trust me man. It's a beautiful thing and it is beautiful how we express ourselves. That is why we are different and we should accept it and not say I saw it go. Yeah man. But you don't know. Big Voice Music, Big Voice Radio. Tune in, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, cause 2025 we are grow. And right now, you don't take nothing off for you. Just click the subscribe button and click the like button. And if you want to give me an extra, you can just comment and say Big Voice Radio. Big up yourself. You know what I say? You do a lot. So yeah man, just big up on yourself, subscribe, like, share. Big up on yourself. You don't know. Jamaica to the world. I'm out.